Now that we made a new, well actually it's an existing surface to the old topo map, we can now derive a new contour interval. Okay, so from this stage, what we'll take is this mesh that we have, and it kind of is easier if you take this thing and from the lowest portion of the site, move the guy from that corner to your property so that you're starting from a 0, 0 location. Okay, you don't necessarily have to do this, but it might be a little bit easier. Okay, especially since I didn't take in consideration of the little piece that we had. Okay, so once that it is on the correct part, we're going to use a command called contour that is going to act like a bread slicer. What that means is that when I say contour, it's going to slice this thing up into whatever interval that you want. We do have to be careful using this because whichever way or whichever viewport that you're in, it's going to slice it up in that viewport. So if you slice it up using this top view, it's going to take a 1 foot interval and just, okay, we don't want that. We want to be more like in the front or right view and slice it up this way, 1 foot. Yes? Yes. Okay, so what we're going to do is to go ahead and type in that command. And the command again is contour. Contour, enter. Okay. The command prompt will ask you to select the object for contouring. So if I select this mesh that we created, got it right. Okay, and then we enter. When we finish selecting, select the base point. So the base point is your lowest point. In our case for this model, it is that corner. So I will select that corner right there, and now it'll ask you direction perpendicular to the contour plane. So like I said, if I'm in the top plane and do this and type in 1 foot, this is the wrong way to do it, but if I do this, ooh, nice, huh? But not exactly right. Control Z. So contour again, select object, enter, select the base point. What you want to do is go into the right or the front view, so the perpendicular side. So if I go into this view, turn on your ortho so that it is going straight up and down, and then click and then type in the distance. Since I typed in 1 foot before, that's my default for now. If I want to make sure and I don't trust the computer, which I should, just say 1 foot and damn it. Control Z. I screwed it up again. Okay, so contour. Select the object. Enter. Select base point. Right there. I'm going to go up into the right view and select. And 1 foot. And there it is. So it's sliced up the mesh that you made every 1 foot now. We could check this with the previous contour map. Ah, shoot. Let's hide. So that's my new contour line. If I turn on my the previous map that I had, notice that it will match pretty closely. Remember, we did do the 10-foot increment, 10-foot division, so it may not match perfectly, but it is matching pretty much to where it is, and it kind of derived from the surface model, cut halfway between that at the proper elevation, and that's what these lines are. So now we don't have to do it manually. You could do it on the computer. Okay, so now that we have this, we could move on to the next step.